Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 stock market investing apps. So regardless of whether you're currently investing into the stock market or you're just curious or looking into getting started with investing in the stock market, well then this is definitely the video for you, because we're going to be going over all 5 of these stock market investing apps. Now you do not need all 5, but you definitely want to check them out. So then that way, after you watch this video the whole way through, then you can decide which one of these stock market investing apps makes the most sense for you and gives you all of the features that you're looking to have in your stock market investing app. Well, hey, look, if you're new here and you're not already subscribed to my channel, if you would just look right here on the bottom right side of your screen, find that red subscribe button, give that red subscribe button a quick tap for me, tap the thumbs up button, and with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video. Hey, I wanted to let you guys know really quick that I will put the links down in both the description box below this video as well as the comment section below of this video to all 5 of these stock market investing apps. So then that way, when you're ready to go ahead and sign up and start investing with whatever company you choose, the links will be both, like I said, both in the description box of this video as well as the comment section of this video. So when you're ready, go ahead, go to that specific company, click that link, and go ahead and sign up today. And then both also come back to this video and let me know which one of these investing companies you decided to go ahead and sign up with. All right, you guys, so our very first company is SoFi Invest. So with SoFi Invest, obviously they're a very easy app to go ahead and download. Their sign up process is very easy as well. And it's just a very beginner friendly app. But because it's just because it's beginner friendly does not mean that they lack in the quality or customer support or even in just the overall features that they offer you, the investor, because SoFi Invest allows you, the investor, to purchase fractional shares. So you could just purchase, in increments, little by little, until you have enough money invested to complete the purchase of your whole entire complete shares of your favorite companies or individual stocks, ETFs or index funds, or even cryptocurrencies. And you could do all of this for $0 trading costs or commission costs. And another really great option that you get with SoFi Invest is that you can invest into public companies before they even go public. So you can invest in IPO companies, and that way that allows you, the investor, to invest in companies before they start trading on the stock market, and then hypothetically and potentially the stock will skyrocket, and then you're in position to win because you were an investor before everyone else did, or before it's finally released to the entire public, right? So that's just another really great option that's available to you because you invest with SoFi. And they do, like I said, they have a $5 minimum deposit for you to sign up and fund your account, so that way you could go ahead and get started. So I mean, that is just something to be mindful of, but hey, it is only $5, so I don't think that's much of a big deal, or it should not be a deal breaker. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to stock market investing app number 2. So next up on the list is Robinhood, right? So Robinhood is probably the most popular, and even if you're not already currently using it, you've probably at least heard of the name, right? Because they've been out there, they make the news a lot. Now, what's really cool with Robinhood? So if you decide to go ahead and get started investing with Robinhood and you download that app and you fund your account, and it's $0 to go ahead and sign up and start up with Robinhood. So there's like no minimum deposit to go ahead and open up and sign up your account with Robinhood. So if you open up your account with Robinhood, your very first stock is going to be free, because they have an option where once you've signed up and you've opened up your account and you're all ready to go, they're going to have a scratch off option where there's going to be 3 possibilities. They're all covered up. You scratch it off, and then Robinhood will reveal your very first free stock to you. So I mean, hey, that's a really cool feature. So I mean, it's something to think about, and it's just a bonus, because then once you've received that free stock, after like a few days or something like that, then you could go ahead and decide whether you want to hold that stock or you could sell it, and it's like free money, right? So I mean, again, it's just another bonus, so I mentioned it here. Now, so what is some other options or features that are featured within the Robinhood app? So one really cool thing, like I already mentioned, is that it's $0 minimums to go ahead and get started and sign up with Robinhood. Now that's really cool, because I mean, that just makes it where pretty much anybody could sign up for Robinhood and get started to investing, so there's really no excuse. Now, another really cool thing is that Robinhood offers fractional investing. So that means, just like with SoFi, you could purchase fractional shares of all your favorite companies. You could buy, sell, and trade both, or all of these. You could buy, sell, or trade individual stocks, mutual funds, index funds, cryptocurrencies, all of these. So they make it very easy, and you know, there's really no excuse why no one is not started with investing, or why nobody should not go ahead and get started with investing or be invested, because I mean, they're giving you all the options. You could, if you're into cryptocurrency, Robinhood's got you. If you're into index funds, Robinhood's got you. You know, if you're into individual stocks, Robinhood's got you. I mean, if you want to do margin borrowing, you want to borrow money, they have an option, but that's another plan that you will actually have to pay for. And that's what makes all of this so cool with investing on Robinhood, is that you can do all of the things that I had already previously mentioned besides the margin without paying any fees. So you could buy, sell, trade your favorite individual stocks, cryptocurrencies, index funds, or mutual funds, and you could do all of this, and you could sign up for $0, you know, to just go ahead and sign up and, you know, start your investing account, and you get your first stock for free. So I think that's really cool. So that's number 2. All right, you guys. So the very next stock market investing app that I have for you guys is public.com. So again, public.com is, you know, just another investing app that you could go ahead and download. It's very easy, again, to download and sign up and open up your account and begin your investing with them as well. Now, what makes Public, you know, just very simple is that, just like the other 2 that I've already mentioned, that again, you could buy, sell, or trade your favorite individual stocks, ETFs, index funds, or mutual funds, and you could also purchase those shares of those individual stocks, index funds, mutual funds, whatever it is that you desire to go ahead and get started with investing in. You could purchase shares of those by fractional share investing. So yes, Public does, you know, offer fractional share investing, so that's a great option. And then if you, just a little side note, if you are, you know, interested in investing into cryptocurrency, there is a minimum $10, you know, purchase. So that's just something to keep in mind. And then another thing to just go ahead and keep in mind is that when you are doing fractional share investing, Public will not process your transaction, you know, to, you know, purchase shares of fractional, you know, purchase your fractional share investing if you do not at least invest $1. So if you're going to be doing fractional share investing, just make sure that you're depositing and, you know, trying to purchase your fractional shares with at least a minimum of $1. And I mean, come on, like, you're probably going to do that anyway, so I don't think that's, you know, too much of a deal breaker. And again, like I said, Public offers really great customer service, so you're not going to have any problem there. And I just think overall, public.com, or Public, you know, when you're doing your search for the app, Public is just a really great investing company to get started with. And they do offer other services as well, but I just want to keep this particularly just about the investing part. So again, I think this is a really great investing app for you to check out. All right, you guys. So the 4th stock market investing app that I have to share with you guys is going to be the company M1 Finance. Now, this is a really great company. I personally use M1 Finance, so I, you know, through my own personal experience, I know that it is a great, you know, stock market investing app to go ahead and download and get started, you know, investing with and just building your wealth. So I love the experience myself. It's very easy to sign up and open up your account and get started with. Now, some, you know, things that I'd like to just, you know, share with you so that way you could be aware of if you decide to go ahead and get started, you know, investing with M1 Finance, is that there is a minimum, you know, to deposit to open up, you know, and create your account with M1 Finance. So there's a $100 minimum deposit to go ahead and sign up with M1 Finance and open up your account. So that is something to be mindful of. So if you don't have the $100, you know, maybe you want to save up for it and then go ahead and get started that way. Or, you know, maybe M1 Finance is just not particularly going to be a good fit for you. But hey, there's 4 other options, you know, in this video. Now, another thing to just know about that $100 deposit is once you've already like signed up and opened up your account with that $100 deposit, now after that, you could go ahead and, you know, you can continue to make deposits as long as they're $10 or more. So, I mean, it's just that initial start of opening up your account with $100. And then after that, you could, you know, make deposits of $10 or more. And besides that, you're going to be good using M1 Finance. Now, it's a really, you know, very easy to use, very like easy to navigate throughout the app, find all the different, you know, features and functions of the app. It's very easy to, you know, make purchases of your favorite individual stocks, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds. Now, another thing that I got to mention in this video, and I know it might come off the wrong way, but you cannot purchase cryptocurrencies on M1 Finance. So if that's particularly what you're looking to get started with, you know, you want to invest in cryptocurrency, again, M1 Finance is not going to be for you. It's mostly particularly geared towards the other, you know, financial instruments within, you know, the stock market, so they're not like a big advocate. Now maybe there might be, you know, a feature coming soon where M1 Finance will start featuring that, but as of right now, M1 Finance is not, you know, it's not the stock market investing app that you want to use if you want to purchase cryptocurrencies. So again, that's something you want to be mindful of. And also, what you want to be mindful of is there's zero, you know, trading costs, whether you're buying, selling, you know, purchasing index funds or mutual funds. There's zero, you know, zero commission, you know, fees involved with doing so. So again, but overall, I personally believe that. And again, there's even other options, you know, there's options to borrow money and margin and all this type of things like that. So that way you could grow your portfolio using leverage. But I don't want to touch again on too many of those other things. I just want to keep it, you know, particularly focused on the investing part, you know, and just the features that are available to you, the investor. They have, you know, automatic investing portfolios that they could build up for you and that you could just set up on autopilot. You know, things like features like reoccurring deposits, all these other types of features like that. So again, I think it's a really great option as long as you could go ahead and, you know, come up with that $100 deposit to initially sign up and open up your account with M1 Finance, then I think it's a really great option. But if not, again, like I said, hey, it's just one more option for you to consider, but there is also 4 other really great options within this video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the 5th stock market investing. All right, you guys. So our 5th stock market investing app is going to be Webull. So that's Webull. So, all right. So with Webull, it's very similar like the other investing apps. You could buy, sell, or trade your favorite individual stocks, ETFs, index funds, or mutual funds as well. And also, just like very similar like the other investing apps, Webull offers fractional share investing, so you can purchase fractional shares again of your favorite index funds, mutual funds, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. And that's another thing. So Webull offers the option to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies, and you could also fractionally purchase shares of those cryptocurrencies as well. And you're doing all of this with $0 commission, you know, trading cost or purchasing cost whatsoever. So that's a really great, you know, feature and option that's available to you because you invest with Webull. And then another really great little perk that, you know, is particularly like with Webull, if you decide to invest with Webull, is that Webull offers, you know, promotion offers for whoever creates a new, you know, investing brokerage account with them. So when you sign up to invest with Webull, now, the promotion offer will change from time to time. Literally, sometimes it changes from day to day. So you might sign up today and Webull will offer like, hey, if you sign up with your investing account today, you open it and you just deposit a minimum of like 1 cent, they will give you anywhere from 1 free stock to as much as 6 free stocks. And it could just vary from day to day. So it all just depends on when you signed up and whatever promotional offers that they're offering at that particular time. But I think that it's just a really great bonus. So that's just something to be mindful of. And hey, like I said, it's just a bonus. Like, who wouldn't want free stock that you can, you know, later on decide that if it's a great company, maybe you want to hold on to it. And if it's not such a great company, maybe you decide, all right, well, once I've met the conditions of holding the stock, then you could go ahead and sell it. And it's like you got free money. So again, it's just another little like bonus offer and something else to just think about before you go ahead and decide that you want to go ahead and use Webull to go ahead and get started with your investing. So again, Webull offers great customer support. It's a very easy to use app, very easy to just navigate your way through and find all the other, you know, features that are available to you on the Webull platform. And I think that if you guys, you know, decide to go with Webull, you're going to find that that's a really great option to go with. I personally have another portfolio, you know, outside of my M1 Finance portfolio that is with Webull. So I know that it will be a great option for you guys. And I now hope that I've shared these 5 investing apps with you guys and that you guys decide to use one of these 5 investing apps. So after you watch this video all the way through like you have, be sure to check out the links in the description box below as well in the comment section below this video. Download the apps, check them out, see which, you know, investing app makes the most sense for you, and then come back to the comment section below and let me know which of these 5 investing apps that you decided to go ahead and download and sign up and create and open up your investing account with, so then that way you could start building wealth for yourself. I'd love to find out which investing app you decided to go with and what was the choice. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you would like to watch another video about either saving money, making money, you know, investing, or just overall building your wealth, be sure to click this video here on the screen. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in this next video.